welcome to our Monday Assembly. We've got a packed show today. We've got not one but two children's galleries. We've got a reminder about the art competition with Love Haslingden. We've got a piece on Victory in Europe Day. And we'll start with this in the staff room.
Oh, high five Ed in Haslingden Primary School. I hope you're all keeping safe and well. I've invented a new sport, paddling pool spearfishing. Well, just want to give out my shout outs. First I'd like to say a big well done to Danielle in our Zoom quiz on Thursday for giving Sky a run for her money. Also want to say a big well done to Zane for trying really hard on TT Rockstars, and also Zahid for trying really hard on his spelling shed. Okay, I'm going to get back to spearfishing.
Hello 4G, I hope you're all well. I hope you've all logged on to our new V-School. All the teachers have been very busy putting the V-School together for you. So what I want you to do is log on to the V-School, have a look around, find some activities and get yourself busy. So on to our shout outs. This week I'm not giving my shout out to a child in our class. My shout out goes out to all the awesome parents of children in our class. Some of the parents are still working, doing their day jobs and playing the role of teacher. So just remember to appreciate your parents and all the efforts that they make to support your learning at home. And remember to say thank you. This is me saying thank you to all the parents of the children in our class who've been working very hard to support you at home.
Thank you to all the teachers. On Friday, 75 years ago, something very special happened in Great Britain and the rest of Europe. Victory in Europe Day, generally known as VE Day in the United Kingdom, is a day celebrating the end of the war in Europe when the German army surrendered to the Allied army. Upon the defeat of Germany, celebrations erupted throughout the Western world, especially in Great Britain and North America. More than 1 million people celebrated in the streets throughout Great Britain to mark the end of the European part of the war. In London, crowds massed in Trafalgar Square and up the Mall to Buckingham Palace, where King George VI and Queen Elizabeth, accompanied by Prime Minister Winston Churchill, appeared on the balcony of the palace before the cheering crowds. Princess Margaret and her sister Elizabeth even wandered in disguise among the crowds taking part in the celebrations. Winston Churchill was known for his great speeches that inspired the people in our country and around the world. This is part of the speech from VE Day.
This is your victory. Victory for the cause of freedom is on everybody's lips. Everyone, man or woman, done their bit. Everyone has tried, none have flinched. In all our long history, there has never been a greater day than this. God bless you all, and God save the King.
Sadly, some people didn't come back from the war, and we remember them not only on the 11th of November and on Sunday every year, but we also remember them with the war memorials that were erected through public subscription. That means the people in the villages, the towns and the cities in this country paid out of their own money to mark the dead and the fallen. And right next to our school, we're honoured to have Haslingden's War Memorial, a very famous war memorial and a very special one, because unlike nearly every other war memorial in the country, it does not have the name of the soldiers that fell who came from Haslingden. Today, you would have to go to Haslingden Library to find the names of the fallen on the Roll of Honour. And at this time, although we celebrate VE Day, we also need to spend a minute just thinking about those brave men and women who did not come back from the war, wherever they were fought around the world.
Hello, Mr. Nuttall here. Got me doing some jobs in the garden. Hope you're all well. I've been watching the assemblies and thought I will say hello. Hi everybody. Just a minute. Need to get something from my shed. Friday is a very special day. It's VE Day, Victory in Europe. We should all remember all the heroes from the past. To all the heroes from the past and present, I salute you. Keep safe and see you all soon. Bye.
Hi, Haslingden Primary School. You just caught me in the middle of getting myself ready for VE Day. It's on Friday. And I've got this trunk out of my loft and I found some brilliant pictures. I was going through an old album and in this it's got some very important people to me. It's got my grandma, who was in both wars, plus my granddad. So that's why we're celebrating. They fought for us and they did their bit just as we are now. So I thought, what sort of things could I do? So I thought I could have a tea party. I could FaceTime everybody, invite them, make some invites, do a menu. Sky's the limit. I also thought I could design my own top. Just an old thing, put some nice pictures on it, do a bit of research. I've got my rug ready so I can sit outside in the garden and have my tea party. Obviously you need good cup and saucer, so they're all ready to be washed. Lots of preparation to do. I'm also thought of how can I make it look really pretty. So I've got a plate. I'm going to use a tin of tomatoes. That's if you've got them. Another plate, tin of tomatoes, and another. So hopefully then I can make all my sandwiches and scones, jam and cream of course, and a nice pot of tea, and it'll look really nice. Let's not break any of that. And then the last thing, and I think you'll be able to get on with this, I've got my bunting. Obviously cheated a bit, but I can still put some designs on. You can make them from paper, material, any sort of things. So this should keep you quite busy. I'm looking forward to your photos in the assemblies, what you got up to on VE Day. And I was just going to finish with one last thing. We will meet again. We do know where, but we don't know when. But I know we'll meet again, and it will be a sunny day. See you soon. Bye.
process. When I get this food, I flash my red eyes. I am a red-eyed tree frog.
It's Eden Hartley reporting for Haslingden Primary School. I hope you enjoyed the messages from your teaching assistants and the outtake at the end. Next, we have the first of our galleries made up of your pictures and videos. I hope you enjoyed looking at everything our children have been up to. But first, the weather forecast. It looks like it's going to rain. Run the video back to the studio. Maybe this one will sing. Who's this one?
A big thank you to everyone who's contributed this week. Your pictures and videos are what make these assemblies special, so keep them coming in. If you haven't seen your work this week, then look out on the next video on Friday. They'll probably be in there. Thank you personally for all the emails and messages of encouragement for making these assemblies. It makes the hours of planning, filming and editing worth it to hear how our children and community are really enjoying it, and it certainly keeps us together at this time as well. So I'll see you on Friday for more galleries, more messages from Imber Staff Room, our results of our Love Haslingden art competition, and a big surprise. Bye everyone.